Greetings, space pilots! We're back with another Kickstarter for Everspace 2. Yes, you heard right, we're making a sequel, but not as you might think. This time around, it's not going to be a roguelike, but an open-world spaceship shooter with deep exploration, tons of loot, and classic RPG elements. It's the kind of space game we've always wanted to make, but never had the money for. Telling from over 30,000 comments on social media, it is also exactly what you guys want us to make. Now we understand that trust in the developer is more important than ever, so let's have a look where development after 1.5 years is currently at.
Everspace 2 is a vast open world game. That's why you need a lot of content to keep things interesting and fun. So early on we started to expand on the lore established in the predecessor and added more emotional and thematical depth to the universe you will discover. Things are changing in the demilitarized zone of Cluster 34. New factions are settling in, old conflicts are reigniting, there are bustling hubs and remote nebulas teeming with bizarre wildlife, all just waiting to be explored.
Most of the world of Everspace 2 is going to be handcrafted, allowing us to make full use of Unreal Engine's powerful light mask tools for pre-baked lighting. This includes global illumination, ambient occlusion, and volumetric light maps. We're also implementing many of the engine's recent advancements, such as volumetric fog, Niagara particle systems, chaos destruction, and possibly even ray tracing. You will be glad to hear that we are keeping the much-praised freelancer-inspired controls and fast-paced combat of the original Everspace.
Inspired by Diablo and similar loot-heavy games, Everspace 2 will feature a deep loot system with a broad range of equipment and abilities for your ship. You'll be on the constant hunt for better gear, be it through exploration, combat, trading, missions, and various challenges that await in the vastness of open space. There will be many ship classes to choose from. Think of your starfighter as a character in an RPG that you can level up and equip with an assortment of skills, weapons, and modules that fit your playstyle or the situation at hand.
We'll continue the hero's journey of Everspace 1, a stray clone on the run in the DMZ. He'll find a home base that can be expanded and populated with companions. Through them, he finds a new purpose in life and discovers what it means to be human. Everspace 2 will also have an RPG-like quest system with main and side missions. Players are free to roam and explore an open world with at least 20 to 30 hours of narrative-based gameplay.
So you might be wondering why we're doing another Kickstarter, even though the first Everspace was a commercial success. The release of Everspace would not have been possible without the Kickstarter community that not only helped us financially, but also creatively. Tons of suggestions and invaluable feedback have made the game the great success it was. So we would like to give our fans the opportunity once again to speak your strong ideas and maybe unlock a few stretch goals too. We got some really crazy ideas. Okay, we hope you like what you saw and that you're equally excited about Everspace as we are. So let's do this together and make an arcade spaceship shooter that you can sink hundreds of hours into. Thanks for your time and support. See you in space.
this.
I got this.
Yeah.
Our world is splintered by myth. It is a shield against the unknown, and those who threaten that shield are banished.
We are the chosen. Unquestioning faith is our salvation.
Some defiant few resist from the shadows, but time has come for a champion to rise up and reunite this shattered world.
Doubt is disease. It must be expelled.
Sam.
For centuries, our lights have been taken and thrown into the dark. And there, in the depths, together, free from superstition and fear, those lights have grown bright.
Find the fallen. Find the truth. Free us all.